What's up, guys? Here with another video. Bubble Wrap Mania. Alright, so today we got Devin behind the camera. His social media, his YouTube link in the description. Doing 100 layers bubble wrap with, let's see if I can get my phone out. With this phone, see that? My bad, it's an iPad. iPod, I'm just kidding, bro. It's an iPod 5 to be exact. We're gonna go 100 layers together, perfectly fine. You already know. So let's get to it. Ready? Alright guys, so the phone works. It's just disabled, see? Disabled. It's just disabled, that's it. So we'll start a time lapse about right now. So, Devin's right there. But, yep, right there. So he's gonna throw it. Ready? Go. We're gonna do a few more things to it. We're gonna play like 3 flags up and start drop kicking it and stuff. We're gonna drop kick it and stuff. So let's see what happens. See ya. In 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, gonna kick it. Or actually I might throw it. Alright, I'm gonna throw it up. Oh. So ready? Oh, so this thing doesn't break in this video. If we smash 15 likes on this video, we'll smash it with the hammer. Like, boom, like that. With the hammer. So, like, I'm gonna like the video right now. Hold on. If I throw this in, hit that car, you have to drop a like right now. Ready?
No, don't throw it off the car, you.
Actually, let's do that car.
The truck.
Ready?
What's up?
Whatever. You're still dropping a like because I said if I hit the car.
Devin, I'm also here now. Oh my! Hey! Don't even play Major. Stop.
Oh, that's it.
Okay, are we?
I'm done.
Okay, Major. Oof.
Oh, if I make this.
Make what? Oh, into there?
Into that, you have to like, subscribe,
Hurry up.
comment. Let's get it.
You still suck?
Alright, so I get 5 tries to make this from over there on that little brick thing, the cut down tree. If I make it in the hoop, you have to like, subscribe, comment, give me a shout out on Instagram, Snapchat, anything. Oh yeah, and by the way, come on Devin. By the way, we got my social media and his link in the description. Alright, let's get to it. I made that. Well, it took 3 tries just to make it. what can I say? I'm LeBron James! Ah!
Damn, I'm feeling amazing. Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud nine, and this nine is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and boom.